The Trump campaign filed a lawsuit on Monday seeking to block the certification of the Pennsylvania election results that tipped Joe Biden decisively across the threshold to become president-elect of the United States. Nothing less than the integrity of the 2020 presidential election is at stake in this action, the 85-page complaint states. Teased out by the White House and the president's lawyer Rudy Giuliani over the weekend, Donald J. Trump for president filed the lawsuit with two electors as co-plaintiffs, David John Henry and Lawrence Roberts. Pennsylvania Secretary of State Kathy Boockvar, a Democrat, and 7 Keystone State county boards of elections are listed as defendants. These boards come from Allegheny, Center, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia counties. Before the lawsuit landed in the Middle District of Pennsylvania, Trump and his loyalists invoked the specter of mass voter fraud as a reason to contest the contest. Variations of the word fraud appear in the lawsuit 33 times, mostly in the context of rare prosecutions related to other elections. The only suspected instances of voter fraud cited in the complaint occurred in 2 Keystone State counties that voted for Trump: Fayette, where Trump is winning by a 34-point margin, and Luzerne, where his lead is 14 points. Fayette County experienced 2 different issues with their mail-in ballots leading up to Election Day, the complaint states. First, an issue caused by Pennsylvania's Sure software system as to the marking of online applications submitted prior to the June primary election with the permanent mail-in status caused some voters to receive duplicate ballots for the general election. Neither appears to be a clear-cut case of fraud. One of the cases cited by the campaign relates to, at least 4 instances, of complaints by certain voters that they allegedly received ballots filled out for Biden, according to a news article cited by the campaign. Trump trails Biden by more than 45,000 votes in the Keystone State. Fayette County District Attorney Richard Bauer is reportedly investigating that quartet of allegations. The Luzerne County allegations relate to the Department of Justice's controversial announcement of an investigation into a small number of allegedly discarded military ballots. The Justice Department had to revise its statement because they overestimated the number of ballots being investigated that were cast for Trump. Federal prosecutors rarely announce investigations before charges are filed, amplifying allegations that Attorney General Bill Barr has been politicizing the Justice Department. Studies by the Brennan Center call mass voter fraud a myth, and neither the FBI nor Trump's own Election Integrity Commission found any evidence to suggest otherwise.